Okay, up for sale is this Kikusui COS 5041 oscilloscope. It's a dual trace 40 megahertz scope. It hasn't been out of the closet in a long time, so we probably should expect that some of the knob settings are a little glitchy or the contacts are dirty. I'm feeding it right now from my arbitrary waveform generator. Got sine wave here, got a frequency of 1 kilohertz and an amplitude of 2 volts peak to peak. And we've got the main signal out of the generator going to channel 2, and we've got the sync signal from the generator going into channel 1. So we can check out the scope now. We have a good intensity. We have good focus. We have good gradical illumination. We're doing 2 volts peak to peak. Right now we're on the 1 volt setting. We have some variability there. I can go back here and go to 0.02 volts peak to peak, and we can crank this up and see what it looks like on the 10 millivolt scale. We're on the 10 millivolt scale, and we're reading pretty good. So this amplifier works pretty well. Okay, set that over there. And we can trigger on channel 2. I'll adjust the trigger level there a little bit. You can see that the trigger level works. That's good. We can trigger on channel 1. Channel 1's triggering all right. You can invert the trigger. DC, high frequency reject, AC, I don't know what, TV, I don't know what TV does for sync, but that's TV. Okay, and then we have channel 1, we can go to channel 1, move channel 1 down, and we can crank up channel 1, variable pot works. Okay. Looks like there's a couple of spots where I can, if I wiggle the knob, it's a little bit glitchy. That's just dirty contacts. All right, so everything seems to be working. Dual channel mode. Add. How about that? That works. Vertical position. That works. So, all in all, can't test everything, but AC and DC mode. Okay, so there you have it.